What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. It is me, your girl. My name is Aliyah. First things first, hi, it's good to be back. I have not posted or filmed a video in a really long time, but I have a lot of reasons behind me taking a little bit of a break from YouTube, but I'm really excited to be right back at it again, filming and just creating some content for y'all. My lips are really dry. Let me put some chapstick on because this is not comfortable at all. Period. So there are tons of updates and many reasons why I have been kind of MIA from YouTube, but this is not that video. This video is actually going to be something really exciting for me to be sharing with you because I am going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions review on a sneaker. I did state in the past in my Crocs video that I'll link up in the cards for you guys so you can take a look at if you haven't watched it already. But I did mention in that video when I posted it months ago that I was actually going to start incorporating more footwear reviews into my channel because shoes are kind of a big deal to me. I have a lot of shoes. I have a lot of shoes on the way that I'm really excited to talk to you guys about. I have a lot of shoes that I have now that I have been wearing that I'm excited to do reviews on. And I did mention in the past that I did want to start incorporating that sort of content here on the channel. So I'm really excited to be filming an unboxing and review for you guys today. Actually, let me move back a little bit because this package is massive. But I actually have the package here. Oh, that has my shipping label. But this is the package here. It came from Urban Outfitters. I do like to order a lot of shoes off of that website, to be honest with you, because they have a lot of like little gems that are like different that you don't really see anywhere. These are definitely a pair that I didn't really see anywhere until I seen them on the site. As you can probably read in the title, today I'm actually going to be unboxing and giving a little mini first impression review on the Nike P-6000 running sneaker. I did get mine in the white colorway. I ordered them off of Urban Outfitters, and I did pay about $95-ish with tax. They're actually on sale for $90, which is a steal because these shoes are really cool. I'm actually going to be giving y'all a nice unboxing and first impression here on the channel today, which I'm really excited about. Now, before I get started with this unboxing, if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell so you are notified of every time that I do post and upload a new video, because I am so sporadic and inconsistent with YouTube. For the most part, definitely be in the know of when I have a new video up for you guys. Also, feel free to go ahead and follow me on all of my social media accounts, at least what's left of them. So definitely feel free to follow me on there just to keep up with me outside of YouTube. If you are excited for the unboxing of these shoes and all my content to come, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoy this kind of content. Or if you don't like it, please go ahead and give me a dislike too. Whatever makes you happy. Now, without further ado, let's just jump into this unboxing. I'm so excited. I'm gonna try and cover this shipping label because my information is on there. But shout out to Urban because their little packaging is so cute. They're it's kind of like a black kind of styrofoam bubble wrapped packaging, and it says Urban Outfitters on the bottom in like this really pretty silver lettering, which is cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and open these babies up. As I'm opening them, I'll kind of talk to you guys a little bit about like specs, like pricing, where you can pick them up, so just like the materials that are in the shoe, because I feel like all of those little details are very important. Go ahead and open up the first layer of packaging, and right inside is the shoes. There's really nothing else in here except for my invoice, which I'll pull out so I can tell you guys exactly how much I paid for the shoe. This specific shoe retailed for $100 on the site, but I did manage to get these on a small sale for $90. Total with tax, I ended up paying $96.08 exactly. I ended up paying $96.08 total for the shoes. I I did buy them on Afterpay, so I only ended up paying like $20-something off the rip just to get them shipped out. If you guys have not heard of Afterpay, or if you guys don't use Afterpay, I love it. If I'm going to ever recommend any sort of financing for anything, it's definitely Afterpay. There's no credit check. It doesn't go on your credit. It's just a way to get a lot of cool steals for exactly how much they cost, just a little bit at a time. So Afterpay is really nice. Pricing for these shoes generally, from what I've seen on websites and online, they generally range from like $70 to $100 max is what I've seen so far. It just depends on where you buy them. As far as availability on the shoe, like I said, I got my pair from Urban Outfitters. There were a couple colorways available on Urban Outfitters, but they did have them available on Finish Line. They also have them on ASOS. I think Nike.com actually has them available as well. So there are many places that you can pick them up at different price ranges. It just depends on where you choose to give your coin, I guess. Anyways, enough about price. Obviously, it does come in the Nike box. This one is the red box. See right here. I will show you up close. I did get these in a size 9.5. I've noticed a lot of the times when I get Nikes in a 9, they are a little snug, and I like my shoes to be really comfortable because I'm on my feet a lot at work and just in general. So I did go a half size up with these. I'm hoping that wasn't a mistake, but I guess we'll see once I try them on. Here's the box. Obviously, just a flip top box. There is some paper on the inside to keep the shoes protected, and here they are. And here is what the shoe actually looks like. So here is what the shoe looks like. I did choose the white colorway just because I wanted a nice staple white shoe. I have a couple of them, but I don't really have any comfortable ones, which is why I chose to go a half size up with these in the first place. Right off the bat, I love the design of this shoe. It's very unique, kind of a mesh upper. Obviously, like if you look closely at the shoe, in the toe box there is a mesh toe box. There's a little bit of leather. The sole is completely rubber. As far as the feel of the shoe, they are pretty light, which is nice. I hate heavy shoes. They're just really hard to walk in. This seems like a really light shoe. Like I said, I did go for a white colorway just because I wanted a nice staple white shoe. This shoe comes in many colorways. I'll try and insert like some pictures of the different colorways so you guys can see them. There is this really dope colorway that's like a grayish tan color with like a volt top. There's like a gold colorway. There's a white and blue. There are so many colors available in this shoe. It's kind of overwhelming. It's kind of hard to pick which one you want, but a lot of colors to choose from. Seems really nicely made. Not a lot of like inconsistencies in the stitching. Like I said, it's basically made out of mesh. There's a little bit of leather, and then the sole is completely made out of rubber. Here is what the traction on the bottom looks like. Here is what the inside looks like. So there's obviously a Nike swoosh on the inside. There are two on the back and one on the outer area, and then there is a Nike swoosh in the toe box area. Clearly this is a first impression. I have just opened up this shoe, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and I'm actually gonna see how it fits. So we'll see. So I'm definitely happy that I did choose to go a half a size up on the Nike. They fit very comfortable. There's plenty of room inside of them, so I don't see myself having any issues with my toes or anything hurting when I wear them for a long period of time, like through the workday, which is fabulous. I cannot stand when shoes are really uncomfortable, but I don't think I'll have that issue with these. I will B-roll a clip of the on foot so you guys can see what they look like on. They're a really dope shoe. And the price is right. I do see these being a really comfortable shoe to stand in or walk in, and if you're someone who doesn't mind a bulkier shoe when you're working out, definitely working out in, because they're super lightweight. Clearly I have to give them a go in the real world, and I do have to wear them out to kind of get a better feel for them and kind of understand how good they are as far as comfort goes, but as far as a first impression, I will give them a 4.5 out of 5 stars, just because they're pretty basic, so I don't want to go above and beyond and give them a 5 because they're nothing like crazy. They're just a basic white running shoe. I love the design. I feel like the size was just on point. Price, like I said, was right. Urban Outfitters shipping is always really, really fast too, so that also gives it a plus. But yeah, I think I'm gonna give it a 4.5. Hopefully the on foot and this little bit of, I guess, review and kind of unboxing gives you a little bit of an insight on the shoe if you are thinking about picking it up, or if you've never seen it before and you're interested in this video and they look cool. Definitely I would recommend picking them up because they're really cool. They're very different. I don't see a lot of people wearing the shoe as compared to like a Yeezy or like just shoes that are very hype beast and very popular. These are pretty different. I can see myself getting a lot of wears out of these and I'm really excited about them. So yeah, that sums up this review and unboxing of the Nike P-6000s as well as an on foot. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'm sorry that there wasn't too much information in this video just because, like I said, this is just my first time opening them and trying them on, but maybe I will post an update on the shoe after I've worn it a few times just to let you guys know how it is as far as comfort goes. That concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you did enjoy the video. As always, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe before you head out, and also go ahead and follow all of my social media accounts that will be listed right down below in that description box. And once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next one.